How to sell crypto using Binance P2p. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this following video, I'm going to show you how you can sell crypto on Binance using P2p. So in order to use P2p, first thing first, you'll have to log in into your Binance account. Once you're logged in, that's going to take you to the interface, something like this. Here you'll need to click on buy or sell, or you can just tap the trade button located at the bottom. So here you need to go ahead and select the sell button or buy button. Next, you need to select the cryptocurrency that you wish to sell. After you're done selecting the cryptocurrency, tap the sell button located right on top. After that, select sell by fiat or sell by crypto and enter the exact amount. After you're done entering the amount, click the sell button located right at the bottom. And on the other interface, you need to select the payment method and tap the sell button. As soon as you do that, wait for the buyer to complete the payment within 15 minutes. And after the buyer completes the payment, click release and confirm. Now note that you can contact the buyer through contact on the top right if you have any payment issue. Then the asset will be frozen after the appeal is filled, and the operation team will intervene until the appeal is closed. In that way, you can sell crypto using Binance P2p. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.